Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled AI in Robotics, giving machines the brains to move and interact. Welcome. For a long time, robots were amazing machines that just followed very specific instructions. But imagine if a robot could actually think, learn, and adapt to new situations. Just like us. That's what AI brings to robotics. Think of it like giving a robot's body a powerful, intelligent brain. This lesson will explain how we, as developers, help build these smart, moving machines. First, let's quickly understand what a robot is at its core. Every robot has senses, like cameras or touch sensors, muscles, actuators like motors that make it move, and a nervous system, a computer controller. Historically, we'd program this controller with rigid, step-by-step instructions. Move arm to X, close gripper, move to Y. This works for predictable tasks. But what if the object isn't exactly at X, or changes shape? This is where AI changes everything. Instead of us trying to anticipate every single possible scenario and write code for it, AI allows the robot to learn how to deal with the world. Imagine teaching a child how to play catch. You don't program every muscle movement. You teach them the goal, and they learn through practice. AI provides that learning capability, making robots flexible, adaptable, and truly intelligent. AI helps robots perform complex tasks by enhancing three key areas. 1. Perception. Seeing and understanding. With AI, specifically computer vision and sensor fusion, robots can process camera images and other sensor data to recognize objects, identify obstacles, and understand their environment. It's like giving them eyes and ears, and then teaching them what those senses mean. 2. Decision-making. Thinking and planning. Using machine learning algorithms, robots can analyze the information they've perceived and decide on the best course of action. For example, that's a fragile glass, so I need to pick it up gently in this specific way. This is their brain actively making choices. 3. Action. Moving and manipulating. AI helps robots plan incredibly complex and smooth movements. Whether it's navigating a cluttered room without bumping into things or precisely manipulating tools, it turns their muscles into coordinated, intelligent movements. So, how do robots gain this intelligence? Through various AI learning methods. Supervised learning. We show the robot many examples, e.g., hundreds of pictures of cups and boxes, and it learns to distinguish them. Unsupervised learning. The robot finds patterns in data on its own, like grouping similar items without us explicitly labeling them. Reinforcement learning, RL. This is a game changer for robotics. Imagine a robot trying to learn to walk. It tries, falls, gets a negative reward, tries a different way, and maybe takes a step, gets a positive reward. Through millions of these trial and error cycles, it learns the optimal way to achieve a goal. As developers, we design these reward systems. As a developer, you'll be at the forefront of this exciting field. You'll typically use programming languages like Python and powerful AI libraries such as TensorFlow or PyTorch to build and train the AI models, the brains for your robots. You might integrate these models with robotics operating systems, like ROS, that handle the robot's physical hardware. Your job isn't just to write code for movements, but to teach the robot how to learn those movements and understand its world, enabling it to solve problems autonomously. AI-powered robots are already transforming industries. From smart factory robots that can adapt to different product lines, to surgical robots assisting doctors with incredible precision. to autonomous warehouse robots sorting packages. And of course, self-driving cars are essentially highly sophisticated mobile robots. The future promises even more. Personal assistants, intelligent explorers for dangerous environments, and robots that truly integrate into our daily lives. All thanks to AI. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.